Good afternoon, James Braithwaite here, at work, having a well-earned coffee break. Cheers. It's been propane in the rain for me today. Going up in absolute storm conditions pretty much to Stockport, picking up 2 cylinders of flammable gas, which is not something I normally do. I'd just leave it for the guys in the trucks, but they didn't have anyone to run it round, so I've been driving my van with effectively a bomb in the back, so I've got a bloody headache. I've never concentrated that much when I'm driving, to be honest. Luckily my van's got a beacon, as you well know, so things weren't too bad. Fun. Life in the fast lane. Not in that bloody rain, it isn't. Anyway, I will see you in the next one.